Hi Shimmy Shaker, welcome to our 30-day dance challenge. I teach you a new combination every day for 30 days, building towards a beautiful choreography and also building towards the end of 2020. Can't wait. Okay, so our combination today is very similar to combinations 8 and 9, but we're up to combination 10 and it's like we're bringing those two together. So if you haven't seen the previous combinations, please watch them because it builds up to a full choreography. But otherwise, if you want to just learn the combination for today, then you're welcome to do that too. So next combination today, we're coming up into our hip drops. So remember, if you haven't done your hip drops before, we start with our feet, hip width apart, pelvis tucked in, chest up, then bringing one foot about a foot in front. For this combination, we're going to be facing to this way, bringing the front foot in front, hands come up just with a little cross of the fingers, like in combination 8, but instead of having the back foot in front, now the front leg is in front. We start with our hip drops coming up and release, drop, 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 and then every second one is a release. Drop, drop and release, drop, drop and release, drop, drop and release. So just remember, when you're doing the release, you also still want to keep the emphasis on that hip. So it's drop and then drop and release. That's it. Drop, drop and release, drop, drop and release. So we've got 3 of these. And then from here, we're pushing that foot back, very similar to combination 8, but the other leg's in front. From here, pushing back, coming forward, we turn, and then instead of doing a head circle, we're coming into a little shimmy. Let's try that again. Drop, drop and release, drop, drop and release, drop, drop and release, push back, around, and shimmy. If you missed out on combination 8, that around, all we're doing is from here, coming forward, step, step, step. Watch again. Forward, step, step, step. So it's like a 3-step turn and the trailing arm comes around the head. Let's try again from the beginning. Drop, release, drop, release, drop, release, push back, around, and little shimmy. Good. Let's try the other side just to practice. Drop, release, drop, release, drop, release, push back, around, and little shimmy. Again. Drop, release, drop, release, drop, release, push back, around, and little shimmy. Drop, release, drop, release, drop, release, push back, around, and little shimmy. Final part to this combination is our feet shimmy, but it's a little bit different to combination 9. We are coming over to this side, and then the other side. So remember, with the feet shimmy, feet hip width apart, pelvis tucked in, chest up, keeping everything here relaxed, bringing one foot up, then the other. We're coming over to this side. You can push your hands if you like, over to the other side. And then today, instead of a turn, we're doing a feet shimmy in a little circle. I really love this move. It's a great one because it's very high energy, but it lets you see everything around the room. So if you're ever doing a performance, it's a nice one to keep in mind. Okay, let's bring it together with the whole combination, starting from our hip drops. 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop, release, drop, release, drop, release, push back, around, and shimmy. Feet shimmy over, feet shimmy over, feet shimmy around, and then we can end on a little shimmy here as well. Let's try it the other side just for practice. 5, 6, 7, 8. Drop, release, drop, release, drop, release, push back, around, and feet shimmy. Oh, sorry, other way, feet shimmy, and feet shimmy, and around, and shimmy to the center. Again, this side, drop, release, drop, release, drop, release, push back, around, and shimmy, feet shimmy, feet shimmy, feet shimmy around, and little shimmy, other side. Drop, release, drop, release, drop, release, push back, around, and shimmy, feet shimmy, feet shimmy, and around, little shimmy. There you go, there's our combination for today. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please feel free to use it however you would like, but also keep watching to the end of the week because we're going to bring these combinations into that section of the choreography. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.